Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see 2D mensuration and 3D mensuration formulas. First 2D mensurations, square formula. What is the square formula? Area equals to a square, perimeter equals to 4a. Next rectangle, what is the area? Length into breadth. Perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. Next triangle, what is the area? Half into base into height. Perimeter is sides, that is a plus b plus c. Next equilateral triangle, what is the area? Root 3 by 4 into a square. Perimeter is 3 times of side equals to a. Next parallelogram, what is the area? Base into height. And what is the perimeter? 2 times of sides, where a and b are 2 sides. Next rhombus, area is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Perimeter is 4 times of sides. Next trapezium, what is the area? 1 by 2 of a plus b plus height, that is trapezium. And what is the perimeter? Sum of all. Next circle, what is the area? Pi r square. Area is pi r square and perimeter is 2 pi r. Next semicircle, what is the area? Pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Circumference or perimeter equals to pi r plus 2r. Next sector formula, area is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Perimeter is theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. See next 3D mensurations. First cube. Volume of cube equals to a cube. Curved surface area. Next total surface area, that is 6a square. Diagonal is a root 3. Next cuboid, what is the volume? L into b into height. Lateral surface area or curved surface area. Curved surface area equals to 2 times of L plus b into height. Total surface area 2 times of L into b, b into h, h into L. And diagonal equals to, what is the diagonal? Diagonal equals to under root of L square plus b square plus h square. This is the diagonal. Next cylinder, volume pi r square h, curved surface area 2 pi r h, total 2 pi r h plus r. Next cone, volume 1 by 3 pi r square h, slant height, this is important to slant height equals to under root of r square plus h square. Curved surface area equals to pi r l, total equals to pi r plus l plus r. This is total surface area. Next sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this is surface area equals to 4 pi r square. In sphere, surface area and curved surface area both are same, that is 4 pi r square. See next hemisphere, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube, curved surface area 2 pi r square, total surface area 3 pi r square. Next cone, volume 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square small r square into capital R small r. Curved surface area pi into r plus r into L. Total surface area pi into r plus r into L, pi into r square plus r square. See next what is the value of pi? That is 22 by 7. This equals to 3.14. Next diagonal of square a root 2, area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into a square. Height equals to root 3 by 2 into a. Next see area means Square means area, that is side square. Rectangle L into breadth. Circle pi r square. Area equals to pi r square. Circumference 2 pi r. Next cube, that is volume, side cube. Next cylinder, volume equals to pi r square h. Cone volume 1/3 pi r square h. Last one sphere, volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay friends, in this video we learned 2D and 3D mensuration formulas. In next video we will see formula based on 2D mensuration and 3D mensuration. Thank you.